Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
Hey fams, welcome back to All Things Shushana. So today I am going to take you through this video and I wanted to show you a few different vignettes that I styled my home for the spring season. They are extremely simple, very easy, and very cost effective. So my first display or vignette is in my entryway, and this is a new table. I actually had it upstairs. I brought it from upstairs to downstairs because I wanted to show you guys how you can create such a different look. Now I love this basket filled with blooms for the spring season. You basically can fill your basket with whatever floral arrangement. For Christmas, you can add some Christmas picks. For fall, you can add some fall picks and pumpkins. Here you see I just added some spring blooms, and I just love the way that it looks. It makes my entryway so full of life and vivacious. I placed this pillow with the pillowcase that I made into this basket, and I placed it underneath the table, and it just makes the space look so warm and very inviting and add that pop of color that I am going for to my already neutral tone. My second vignette is my china cabinet. As you can see, I love my china cabinet. I needed to transfer over my dishes, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can take a very simple style of piece of furniture and dress it up for any season and for any occasion. So while I have my dishes in this china cabinet, I went ahead and I just added some spring touches. I placed some flowers, some dry florals into this beautiful planter, and then my picture frames that I thrifted, and I added the shower curtain in these picture frames, and then I have my Easter bunnies and eggs. Now I'm going to keep these bunnies up for the entire summer because bunnies are out for the summertime. My third vignette is this floral box that I made. Now, y'all seen when I made this floral box, and you've seen throughout different seasons how I've interchanged it, and I changed up the florals in there. For the spring, I added some peonies. I did add a little bit more of the greenery just to make it a little bit more fuller. And there you go with the shower curtain wall art. Now this is so simple and so easy. All you need to do is get you some greenery as your base, and then you can add any color florals to this floral box. As you can see here, I moved my buffet into its rightful place where it needs to be in my dining room, and I just went ahead and I added that planter filled with green and white peonies and some greenery. I also added my blue and white vases and just a simple crystal lamp with this mirror. It gives the space a glam feel, but also just some farmhouse touches and lots of pops of color. I love the color green, and I think that for the spring season it just makes my space so happy. And mixing it with these blue and white vases, it just brings out that traditional vibe that I have, that I love so much, but also just incorporate a touch of farmhouse. So here I went ahead and I placed my bench with some pillows and this beautiful wall art. So I hope that you guys got some ideas to recreate in your home. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Yeah, I'm on my way now.